What's good, meme coiners and cryptocurrency friends? I hope you're doing fantastic today. We're going to check out Vita Inu because it's done some explosive things over the last week. Now, of course, we've got Lunar Classic stealing the show with crypto right now, but I think it's a good time to start looking at these low market cap gems, especially as September is now here. And September is historically quite a bad month for Bitcoin. So what can we accumulate leading up into October, November, December to ride the next potential altcoin bull rally? So what's happening at the moment? Bitcoin has lost that 20k support level. It doesn't look too amazing. Ethereum is hovering around $1.5k, but today's all about Vita Inu. So let's have a look. Last 7 days have been super bullish. We've had a lot of trading volume, and we can see we had this massive swing high all the way over here, doing over a 2x in the price for Vita Inu. So it's just a little update for my subscribers, as I had a few requests to do Vita Inu once again. By the way, guys, if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe. That helps so much. That one little click of a button will help boost my engagement and get me into the algorithm. So we can see Vita Inu right now has a $16.4 million market cap, and it has been moving extremely well in the last couple of weeks. You can see last month as well for Vita Inu has been extremely bullish, and the last 3 months, of course, have also presented amazing opportunity for this meme coin. Meme coins are also trending. If we look at the last 7 days, we can actually see, last 24 hours or so, we can see many coins are popping off even now through this bearish sentiment. The last hour, we have many other meme coins also doing extremely well at the moment. If we look at the top performers, we've got Dogecoin still with a really healthy market cap of 8 billion, Sheep at 6.6 billion, we've got Dogelon at 154 million. So let's have a little look. This is the website, the world's first Lightspeed dog coin with 0 fees and smart contracts. So I really like any meme coin project that has no transaction fees. I think that's a really bullish sign off the bat, because it shows that the developers are not being greedy and they really are focusing on the fundamentals of the project itself. And this is the new website that they just recently launched. So I haven't actually looked at the Vinu Foundation, the holding company of the Vinu brand and image. We've also got Vita Inu, which is of course the main website. We have Vinu Designer Clothing, so they've got their own merchandise, which is pretty cool. I quite like that. And they have We Vinu, the spot collection and treasure hunting app for Vinu. So lots of bullish activity is coming out for the future. So we've got this one here, We Vinu, and also the Vinu Foundation. So do keep an eye and watch this space, because Vita Inu, I believe, could be one of the next top 100 meme coins, shall we say. Top 10 meme coins in the future. What's happening on the price? This is where it gets a bit exciting in my opinion. So this is now a key level of support, the 0.01972 level. And what happened is, before we had this massive swing high followed by a small correction. So let's just measure our corrective phases first. We had a 42% correction here. Up here we had a 41% correction. And while we currently are trading now, we've already had a correction of roughly 35%. So each corrective wave is almost the same. We're seeing the same amount of volatility every single time. And what I have noticed on this hourly time frame is that we're actually forming almost a really textbook bullish symmetrical triangle pattern right here. And you can just see, looking at the swing highs, it just almost looks too good to be true, almost like it's manipulated or something crazy. But we are definitely trading in a beautiful looking symmetrical triangle at the moment. The last time we came down to the support levels here, we exploded out of this region on the 29th of August. We came all the way up to here on 0.0496. So there is a good chance we might even remove or slash away a zero here for Vita Inu in terms of the price analysis. So we're going to move to the 4-hour time frame once again, looking at what's going on here as well. If we use our Fibonacci retracement, the first corrective wave brought us down to the 0.618. This particular impulse wave has taken us down to also the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement. So again, very similar levels where we're getting that consolidation and that bounce. So let's have a look a bit closer. We can see, first things first, what I'm looking at is the candles. The wicks on these candles are relatively bearish, because it does display that we're seeing a lot of selling pressure at the top of this resistance range on the symmetrical triangle itself. We are still seeing a lot of healthy accumulation around the support range, however, so we could probably speculate that we might get another sort of swing low down to this level before maybe a swing high, before a swing low, and break either to the upside or the downside. Hopefully we are going to see some bullish continuation here for Vita Inu. I imagine that will be the case. But as far as price targets go, if we do get the breakout, I'll be looking at around the 0.0607 range. So kind of blasting off all the way up to here, which would offer you potentially another 37% increase in price if we do come up to the golden pocket Fibonacci extension. So that would be the technical target here for Vita Inu if we do get that really, really bullish breakout. Of course, we don't know what could happen in crypto. It's not financial advice. We could just see a reversal. We could just unfortunately dump. It depends on the trajectory of the rest of the crypto markets. If we were to lose this support level here, the first kind of level I'd be looking at falling down to would probably be the 0.786 fib. But we also have significant support there as well, because look at this swing high right here. So if we do lose support of this symmetrical triangle, I do think it's a chance that we will just come down, retest, and come down to about the 0.0284 level. So there's the bullish and the bearish scenarios. I think we need to kind of wait and see. It's quite easy to get a bit carried away and feeling very euphoric with all of this crazy price action. But in my opinion, I like to not chase the green candles. And so far we have seen a lot of green candles. And I think this kind of reinforces the fact as well that when we did pump up to the 0.064 level, look at the selling pressure on that daily wick. Loads of people obviously sold, and if you bought down here, you'd be absolutely foolish not to sell after seeing that much profit, right guys? So that's one thing to also consider. So I am feeling a bit skeptical as to whether we can retest this previous local high or even all-time high over at 0.0638. For now, I'm waiting to see what's going to happen and how we close this daily candle, which is currently red. Pardon me. So there's a good chance we might unfortunately see a bit of capitulation here. Guys, get into my Discord channel as well. The community is ever growing. There's 350 people in here now. We're talking everything crypto. I'd love to see you there. Come hang out with us. And in my opinion, the next crypto that will do a 50 to 100x. That's right. That is right. It's going to be another meme coin known as Tamadoge. So do check this one out, guys. Is literally about to hit $10 million in the pre-sale. We can see we're at $9,987,000 for Tamadoge at the moment. Absolutely incredible. The pre-sale is set to end in October 2022. So time is running out. It's deflationary, tax-free, only 2 billion total supply. It's got metaverse and play to earn elements as well. So I'm very excited to see what's going to happen with Tamadoge. Check out that link down below, the $100,000 giveaway, and there's so much more. So if you're new here, please do subscribe, like, comment, let me know what you think is going to happen with Vita Inu. Do you think Tamadoge will be a better performer, and what do you think basically September entails for the cryptocurrency markets? Do you think we're going to see a downtrend? Do you think we're going to see a blast off? I personally think, looking at the historical data, which I should quickly find for you just there, historical data wise, I mean, we're not really looking too great. September is this month right here where you see my mouse. 7 of 9 of the months are red. In October, 7 of 9 of the months are green. So remember that. It doesn't matter what fundamentals or news is coming out right now. Crypto will do what it wants to do. And if September is a month where we see these corrections, it's going to happen regardless of what happens in the news or in the industry. So yeah, bear that in mind. Bear that in mind. Anyways, not financial advice. Thanks so much for watching the video. Check out the VPN down below. Protect your cryptocurrency today, because hackers are on the loose and they want your crypto money. As that economy out there spirals out of control, the cost of living goes up, the demand and the desire for people to do crazy things and steal your crypto is going up. Remember that. Anyways, see you soon. Bye for now, guys.